What's up, you guys? It's Steve here, and let's talk about the $10,200 of tax-free unemployment benefits that you kind of got in 2020. Now, as you guys know, we heard that the IRS started the week of May 10th sending out this refund. Now, I did some polls on my channel, and as you guys saw, about 5% of the people in the polls, of the thousands that voted, said they had received it. 95% of people said they still haven't gotten that tax refund. So in today's video, what I want to do is cover all the details of what we currently know for you guys. I'm going to be diving into an article that just came out with 9 things that you need to know about this refund and when you should be receiving it. So I'm going to cover all the details for you in today's video. So we're going to dive right in here and get you caught up on the latest as of May 26, 2021. But before we do, don't forget to do me a quick favor. If you like these updates, you appreciate them, don't forget to smash that like button. Helps out the channel. Leave your comments, share this video out if you think it's valuable. Subscribe if this is your first time here to see more videos like this. Follow me on Instagram at SteveRam3. And remember, new upload schedule is going to be 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday. You can count on videos from Steve. Now, with that being said, though, let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm going to get you caught up on everything that we know as of what's going on right now with you getting that refund for unemployment in the year 2020 for that $10,200. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into this article that just recently came out. It's going to be giving us a little bit of background about this $10,200 and also 9 things that we need to know, including the arrival time of when you can expect to receive this. And also, stick around, it's going to cover a couple things that we still don't know. The IRS hasn't told us, even though they're already sending this out. So once again, link in the description below if you'd like to check it out with me. And it says, what you need to know about the unemployment tax refund, the IRS timeline, and more. And it says the IRS is now sending refunds for thousands of dollars to those who overpaid on taxes in 2020 on their unemployment benefits. And it says, is that you? Now the article says, did you receive unemployment benefits in 2020 because of the pandemic? If you paid taxes this year on the money that you got last year, the IRS is now sending refunds to those who qualify for a tax break on the benefit. Unemployed workers can't be taxed on that benefit money due to the new rules under the American Rescue Plan. And as you'll recall, that was the new stimulus package that came into law back in March of 2021. And what it said was that the first $10,200 of unemployment benefits that you received last year during the pandemic, it's tax-free. So if you already paid taxes on it, you should be getting a refund. It says the new law came into effect after millions had already filed their income tax returns. So taxpayers are now eligible for an IRS tax refund for up to $10,200 for single filers. Those refunds started going out earlier this month and will continue through the summer. So throughout the course of the summer, that is when you can expect it. They just started. It says, as the IRS processes tax returns and reviews taxes paid on unemployment insurance. So they're going through each and every single one, reviewing it and determining who's going to get this benefit. The agency said refund amounts will vary and not every adjustment will result in a refund. We'll explain the unemployment tax exemption here and tell you what we still don't know. All right, so now let's get into these 9 things that you need to know about this tax refund. So it says, what is the unemployment tax refund? 9 things that you need to know. This is going to cover some details for us that we already know and a little bit about the arrival of this refund. And it says the IRS started sending unemployment refunds to taxpayers who treated their benefit payments as income and were taxed on it when they filed their return this year. Here's what you can expect. Number 1, it says that the tax break is for those who earned less than $150,000 in adjusted gross income. We already know this. You're not eligible if you made more than that, but what we're hearing is that the vast majority of people that collected this unemployment benefit last year, they're going to be eligible to receive this. They made less than $150,000. Number 2, refunds started going out the week of May 10th. And will run through the summer as the IRS evaluates tax returns. More complicated returns could take longer to process. So what they're saying is they just started this. It's going to go throughout the summer. So if you haven't gotten it yet, don't worry. They're evaluating every single one and determining eligibility and the amounts that are going to be distributed. Number 3, if the IRS determines that you are owed a refund on the unemployment tax break, it will automatically send a check. So they said there's nothing you need to do on your part. They're going to automatically take care of this for you. So they're going to be working on this and they'll send it out. Number 4, you do not need to file an amended return to claim the exemption. And so you don't need to do anything. No amendments are needed. In addition to that, however, if you have other items that you might be eligible for, you might want to still do an amendment, because if you are right on the brink of certain thresholds to receive other benefits, this could bring you over, and they're not going to be focusing on that. Their main thing is getting you this refund. So if you think that you become eligible now, that you have that $10,200 deducted from your adjusted gross income, you might still want to file an amendment. Number 5. Refunds will go out as a direct deposit if you provided bank account information on your 2020 tax return. Otherwise, the refund will be mailed as a paper check to the address that the IRS has on hand. So in other words, if you get your refunds through direct deposit, that's how you can expect this one. If you get it through paper check in the mail, that's how you can expect to receive it as well. The IRS is doing the recalculations in 2 phases. Now, starting with those who are eligible for up to $10,200 of a tax break, it will then adjust returns for those married filing jointly taxpayers who are eligible for up to $20,400 tax breaks. So 2 phases, first starting off with individuals and those that have the most simplest tax returns. Then second, married couples filing jointly with more complicated taxes. Number 7, the IRS will send you a notice explaining the corrections within 30 days of when the correction is made. So when they evaluate your taxes, determine that you're eligible, and then get ready to send you the refund, you can expect within 30 days from that time that you'll receive a notice of it. So if you receive a notice but you didn't get your refund, that's a good sign that there might have been a mix-up. So they're going to be sending that out to notify people that they're going to be getting this refund. Number 8, you won't be able to track the progress of your refund. So there is no way for you to track this right now. They don't have it through the IRS Get My Payment tool or the Where's My Refund tool and the Amended Return Status tool or another IRS portal. They don't have anywhere for you to track it at this time, unfortunately. And number 9, the IRS can seize a refund to cover past due debts. So yes, this can be captured and you might not get the full thing or get it at all. It says such as unpaid federal or state taxes or child support. So unlike the stimulus checks, a lot of them were sheltered. You will still able to get your check and not get it taken. This, on the other hand, it's a tax refund, and part of this tax refund is that it can be seized for overdue debts. So these are the things that we currently know right now, and it sounds like if you haven't received it, the vast majority of people haven't received it yet, but hopefully over the course of the summer, they're going to be sending it out. But right now, they're starting off with the simplest and easiest ones, and they're going through each and every single one, evaluating and determining who's eligible, and then sending them out. So if any other news on arrival comes out, I'll be sure to let you guys know, but that's what we currently know at this time. But now, let's also discuss some of the things that we still don't know. The article says things that we still don't know about unemployment tax refund. It says the IRS has provided some information on its website about taxes and unemployment compensation. We are still unclear as to how to contact the IRS if there's a problem with your tax break refund. Now it says we've reached out to the IRS for clarification, but they haven't gotten any. So right now, if there's an issue with it, you were supposed to get it and you didn't, or you got the wrong amount, or there's no explanation, we still don't know who do we contact about this. Now, if more information rolls out, if they have a designated portal or department for which we can reach out to, I'll be sure to let you guys know. But right now at this time, that's another unknown about this refund. Now, there's a lot going on with the IRS and unemployment right now. If you want to find out about the 23 states that have officially announced they're going to be putting an early end to benefits, be sure to check out my previous video where I covered all the details of every single state and when they're going to be ending federal benefits. And also the 36 states that have announced they're going to be also once again requiring that you are actively seeking work in order for you to continue collecting those unemployment benefits. We had a brief pause for the vast majority of states during the pandemic. Well, now the vast majority of states are saying they're going to put this back in place. So once again, to see all the details on those, check out my previous videos. And you guys, that is the latest that we currently have on this tax refund. Once again, if you appreciate this update, don't forget to take a second to smash the like button. It helps me out. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos to stay up to date on what's unfolding. Follow me on Instagram at SteveRam3. And if you'd like to see what trades I'm doing in crypto or stock, consider joining the Patreon group as well. And with that being said, you guys, I hope this reaches you well. I'll be sure to keep you up to date as more information rolls out. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. God bless. This is Steve.